Hey hi everyone, this is me. Oh well, not this. Yeah, this is me. I am a CRM expert. I am Salesforce consultant, developer, and administrator. We are Team Cloudanalogy. Now you must be wondering, what is Salesforce? Well, Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM applications for sales, service, marketing and more. Cloudanalogy is recognized as one of the fastest growing companies working in the Salesforce landscape for the past few years. We are cloud CRM experts. Besides, I provide implementation and integration solutions for the existing Salesforce users and new clients. In short, I am a super CRM expert. We have tons of customer success story to tell. We have also built business apps on App Exchange platform. Pin tags, an app that helps you to tag your important records. Now available in Salesforce Lightning. Drag and drop, an app that helps to get your files uploaded with click, drag and release in Salesforce. Opportunities recur and split, an app that helps to break Salesforce opportunity into multiple recurring and split opportunities. Task and Notes Timeline Manager. This app helps you to list notes, task, meetings, and emails under any object in a timeline view in Salesforce. I exist near you in Australia, United States, and United Kingdom. I would love to meet you to solve your complex business problems with Salesforce. You can book a slot with me by going to www.cloudanalogy.com.